Hey everyone, I tried this new method of making Ajitamas or ramen eggs from a redditor by the name of Ramen Lord. If you've been browsing the ramen subreddit, you probably are aware of who he is, but if not, he's a great resource for learning and appreciating the intricacies of learning ramen. I found this brining method he used for eggs, and I feel like sharing it with everyone, with his permission of course, and this will help you greatly reduce your soy sauce and mirin use. So apparently a lot of my viewers aren't subscribed, so if you've been enjoying my cooking content, leave a like and subscribe, only takes a second, so without further ado. Alright, first things first, if you have one of these egg pricking devices, use them. Prick all your eggs. I got this from Daiso, which is a store for cheap kitchenware goods, from Japan pretty much, and this was like $1. There's a small needle that will poke the egg and it will make peeling it a lot easier later. Obviously, if you don't have one, don't worry about it, just skip this step. So we're going to boil some water in a pot, and I like to lower my eggs afterwards with a spoon to avoid cracking it accidentally. Once all the eggs are in, I'll let this boil for 7 minutes. The yolk will be a little bit runny, but with a little bit of a jello-like consistency in the middle. That's my personal preference, and you can adjust accordingly. When the timer goes off, start to place your boiled eggs into another bowl with some ice cold water. This will shock the eggs from the hole we pricked and will make the membranes separate from the shell more easily. We'll let this chill in the water for 10 minutes before peeling them all carefully. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the most boring part, and if you have someone to help you for free labor, it's greatly appreciated, as this is probably the most annoying part in my opinion. It really goes to show how much ramen is a labor of love and dedication. Maybe I'm just really bad at this, but hey, look how long it took me to peel just one. Finally, the last step is to make the brine. I'm going to measure this deli container full of eggs, and then we're going to fill this container with water until it pretty much covers all the eggs. I zeroed out an empty container, which is why it shows negative 28 grams, but I feel like this is such a minor weight difference, so disregard the number. So the container with eggs and water is 790 grams. Let's make it even, say it's 800 grams. I'm going to take 10% of this weight, which would be 80 grams, and add in this amount for soy sauce. Then I'll also add in 8% of the total weight with mirin, which would be 64 grams, or I guess 63 grams in this case. I got lazy with 1 gram. Pour this into a container and close it with a lid. Then we'll shake it around to mix everything together. Afterwards, we'll stick in the fridge for a minimum of 1 night. You need this to brine to have all the flavors develop into the egg. When it's finally time, serve it with your ramen as a perfect topping. There you have it, a new method to make ajitamas which marinates them more evenly and uses a little bit less soy and mirin. Here's a shot of the ajitama with a shiro ramen I made recently. Thanks to Ramen Lord for allowing me to share his method and recipe online, and I hope you all give it a try. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at Weekend Cooks. Thanks for the support.